Well, hello there, good morning, welcome to day 2 of this trip. Due to last night's fiasco at the airport, today we are going to Walmart. We was meant to do it last night, so we're going to head on over to Walmart. It's about a 15-minute drive, pick up some supplies for the drive, and then get on the 300-mile drive, well, 259 I think it is, mile drive to Orlando, where we check into the All Stars Movie Resort and Hotel. Well, let's go to Walmart then, shall we? That was the most stressful drive to a Walmart we've ever done. Taking those off. I somehow got us on a toll road. I was in the wrong lane and I couldn't get out of the lane, so just carried on anyway. But we're gonna come in here now, we're gonna get some supplies, we're gonna get some water, some food, some glasses, things. So I'm gonna get some clip-on sunglasses things, as I left my sunglasses at home, but not for public wear, just for when I'm driving the car. And let's have a little look around Walmart. All the Halloween stuff. You've got to go down.
Look, hay.
Oh, hey there.
Oh, it's straw, sorry. Halloween reef. The amount of costumes they do. Call them make. Oh, yeah. That's a lot of Halloween makeup.
Love it.
Wigs. 3 meters of wigs. Oh dear.
How amazing is that? I wear it to Disney.
Would you actually wear that around Disney?
It's a bit hot. What else? They've got pizza on. Oh, my glasses have come on.
Oh, Georgie has now decided that he wants to wear some sort of costume for the Halloween party. It's going to be a pizza or a donut.
Oh. I don't know what's better.
Oh, the pizza's hilarious.
Is it? I can take a dog on my head.
No, I vote pizza.
Banana?
Georgie, I vote pizza. The pizza looks amazing.
Right. Let's test this out walking around Walmart for a little while.
Do you want to simulate Space Mountain? Like,
What? Keeps my glasses on tightly.
Okay,
I don't know what it looks like. Does it enhance my double chin?
no.
Oh.
I wish we had these at home. Okay, I'm looking at the lights, it's a lot more interesting. Ooh, that is amazing. Okay, I kind of want that.
Stein. I've got Mickey and Minnie. He's having a poo.
This is crazy, you get like one aisle of Halloween at home.
It's not even good.
And, yeah. This is a bit more calmer Halloween area. More Thanksgiving.
Like classy Halloween. Like this would go over our living room.
Colours are nice.
In case you wondered, every time you see us on a shopping trip, I'll most likely have the trolley because Dan's usually on his phone or doing something. So I feel like I need something to do. So
I'm shopping.
I push the trolley.
I like the way you just had to tell everyone that.
Yeah.
Look at all these Oreos, Georgie.
Oreo. What are these ones?
Let's get some weird ones to try.
Cinnamon bun. Let's go.
They're not that weird though, are they?
We've got apple pie.
Yeah.
Put those in. What do you like?
I don't know. We'll choose and then have a look later. Have a taste later.
We've gone for coconut thins because you know they're healthier, but 10 calories. cinnamon bun flavoured, even though I said they're just going to taste like cinnamon. But we know we'll probably like them. And we've also gone for birthday cake Mickey Mouse flavour.
For obvious reasons.
Yeah.
That'll be
Well,
an
I know
interesting taste test later.
Yeah. I know what ones I think I'm going to prefer. Probably the cinnamon bun. Cinnamon, I can't even say it. Also, I bought some buffalo wings with ranch dressing stacks.
And honey mustard
Honey.
Pringles, which is very interesting. I hope
Yeah.
they taste nice.
I hope they taste like the pasta from Tesco.
What have you found, Georgie?
I have found, never tried it before, the cheesy stuff, but it looks like me.
It's like your twin.
It is, isn't it? So we're gonna get that. I need some crackers. Ah, cheap crackers.
Cheap ones.
I've never tried that cheese before, so I'm really looking forward to it.
Done in Walmart.
Yeah. Do you like my?
Oh no. Well, that was embarrassing.
Do you like my glasses? They're like a slinky thingy in the middle. You stick them on. So now I don't actually need a pair of sunglasses that I've got on delivery, do I?
No. After all that fuss.
Yeah. And they're only $13. So they're not that bad. I thought they'd be like old persons, like a visor up here and flick it down, but they're not.
Well, 2 hours and 50 minutes until we arrive in Orlando.
Not long.
Yay.
Well, it's fast. I just can't wait to check in, go get a Coke on ice from the machines. We've never stayed at a resort, so I don't know how it works.
It's going to be really interesting.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Let's continue with some music.
Well, no. We're now going to jump to
yeah.
the transition
Oh, okay.
so that, yeah, they don't have to sit there for 3 hours.
Oh, so we'll be in Orlando.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. See
Yay.
you in Orlando. How'd you do it? Oh, I don't know. Oh, this looks nice.
It's cool.
Very I look like one of those people. Is it a Sherpa? I look like a Sherpa. Whew. So we're finally in our hotel room. Block number 10 in Toy Story area of All-Star Movies. So let's have a little look around the room. So you have a fridge, a coffee machine, ice bucket and some storage area there for whatever you store there. And a drawer with coffee, tea, creamer, sugar. Small storage here, USB plugs. Got USB plugs next to the bed. This is the other bed. I'm not going to do that now unless you think I should.
No.
No, fair.
No, we'll see it another time, I'm sure.
Yeah. So if you're just using the one bed, you've actually got quite a lot of room, haven't you? So there's more USB plugs there. Big bed, so many pillows. That's for the 2 beds. I like the little artwork there above the bed. And you've got a couple of drawers. I think these are literally just empty drawers. Huge TV. How big is that? Like 60 inches?
Oh, that is big, isn't it?
That's like the same size as the one at
I
home.
didn't notice that.
Safe. Don't know how you use it 'cause it's locked. I imagine it's just a 4-digit code to unlock it. An adjoining bedroom. Yeah. Sliding doors to the bathroom. And then you've got another pillow in case 8 are too many. Some hangers. Look behind there. You've got an iron. Some toilet rolls. A iron, hairdryer, tissues, a sink. Apparently this is really good stuff, isn't it?
Is it?
We're yet to try it, everyone goes on about it. But I really don't know. Sliding door to the toilet. Toilet. And it's a tub. Ooh! Which way are we going? That way. They're the toiletries that everyone goes on about as well. So yeah, that's our room here. We finally made it after, what was that? 6, no, we left at 8, it's now 4 o'clock. I can't work that out. 8 hours that took us to get here today. It was now worth it. We're now going to get changed, get dressed, and go into Disney World. That'll be in next week's vlog. So I hope you did like this little travel day, but day 2 vlog. Hit that like button if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe.